Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Office 365 on your laptop. So first of all what I need to do is just open the google.com. In the search bar I will type download Microsoft Office 365. Then I will use this link. I will click this link. Since I'm using the Windows machine, so I will choose download for Windows. I will click this and this will download the installer file for me. Let me just download this. I will save it in my desktop, and this is the file which I will open. Let me just open this file, and this will begin the installation. Now it will take some time to complete. Let me just, yeah, it will take some time to complete. Look, it has begun installation. Now meanwhile, let me just show you the plans and pricing. So it has business, home and enterprise edition. So you can, let me just go to the home edition. So you can use the Microsoft 365 for free only for 1 month. After that you will be charged once you will provide all the details like credit card information. Anytime if you want to cancel it, you can also do it. Not a problem for you. So this is not a free, completely free. This is free only for 1 month. After that you will be charged. So another way is using the web version. So the web version of Microsoft 365 is completely free. All you need to do is just create an account. So look, Microsoft 365 web version, and click web online, this one. Let me just click this one. You just need to sign up for free. Just you need to create an account. If you do not have a Microsoft account, you just need to create. You need to provide an email, password, everything, the detail which is required to create an account, and then you will be able to use all the Microsoft products for free. So now let me just check the status. So it will take some time to complete. So the installation is finished. All I need to do is next is just close it from here. So now I'm going to open the Excel, or maybe I can open any other 365 product. So I have already linked to my previous account, which is completely free. But what you need to do is next is just to switch an account. Click switch account and switch your new account. You need to link this to your account, and you just need to provide all details like credit card information in order to avail the 30 days free trial version. I hope you have gone through the process. At the end I would request you to please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.